Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your Android device to unlock your PC. Alright, so for this to work, you're going to be needing this app called Remote Fingerprint Unlock. It's a free app, and you're going to also need to install the software on your PC. So when you open the app, you tap here, you tap Settings, and scroll down, you will see the Windows Module Download Page option. So if you tap on it, it's going to open Google Drive. Now all you need to do next is send this link to your PC. And I've done that on my PC. Next, you're going to have to click here, this link to download this file. Once you click on it, this page will open and this file will be downloaded to your device. So what I'm going to do is leave this link in the description of this video. Once you download the file, it's going to be a zip file, so you can unzip it. And this is going to be the folder with the file inside. I have scanned this file in VirusTotal and it came out clean. So after you download it, next you need to install it. So double click the file, click yes, then click next and install. So this is going to pop up. All you need to do is click yes. This is just to make sure that the app works even when your laptop is locked or your PC is locked. So click yes, and after that click finish. So you're halfway done. So next, go back to the app, the Remote Fingerprint app, then click scan. Now both your devices have to be on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Click the plus button here and then click by scanning, and just give it a few minutes or a few seconds for the app to find your PC. Okay, I forgot something. You need to lock your PC for the app to find it. So I'm going to do that. My PC has been locked. I'm going to do the scan again. As you can see, it has found the PC. Now just tap on it. And as you can see, it says connection method. Wi-Fi should be selected, unless you want to use Bluetooth or direct IP. But for this tutorial, I'll be using the Wi-Fi network. Then I'll tap save. So now click accounts, tap here, tap add account, then tap OK. Now enter your account name and password, like what you use for logging into your PC. So if I click here, this is the name I'm using, which I'll enter here. Then I'll enter the password. Now I'm not sure if the name is case sensitive, but I just wrote it exactly how it is on my PC. So I'll tap save. And now I'm going to use my fingerprint to unlock. So anytime you want to unlock your PC, all you need to do is just tap on these three lines, tap unlock, then enter your fingerprint, and the PC will unlock. So what I'm going to do now is restart my PC and see if I can sign in just by using my phone. Alright, so my PC has restarted. As you can see, it is connected to Wi-Fi. My phone is on the same Wi-Fi network. So what I'm going to do now is open the app, and it's asking me to unlock, so do that. As you can see, I don't have to type my password to sign into Windows.